Hello, class 3. Hope you are all well. I'm also fine. Today we are starting our annual syllabus. So, what we do? At first, we go through our English for Today textbook. So, let's move on to our next slide. Lesson 4 to 6, Unit 23. So, get ready, children. Take your English for Today book. Open Unit 23. Are you ready, children? Let's begin. What do they do? তারা কি করে? What do you do? তোমরা কি করো? What do they do? তারা কি করে? I am a crow. I'm a crow. আমি একটি কাক. I live in a tree. আমি একটি গাছে থাকি. I get up early in the morning. আমি সকালে ঘুম থেকে উঠি. I am active all day. আমি সারাদিন অ্যাক্টিভ থাকি. I fly in the sky and look for food. আমি আকাশে উড়ি এবং খাবার খুঁজে বেড়াই. Sometimes I take food from people. মাঝে মাঝে আমি মানুষের কাছ থেকে খাবার নিয়ে নিই. কিভাবে নেয় জানো তোমরা? Do you know how crow takes food from people? There is a crow calling me from outside. Can you hear? Ka. See? Can you hear it? Hey. See? Okay. They snatch it. If you maybe you are eating something, they snatch it from you. I'm very quick. They snatch it such quickly that you can't even imagine. You haven't actually experienced the experience, but I had experience with crow snatching my samosa. Sometimes I eat dirty things. মাঝে মাঝে আমি পচা পচা খাবার খাই. ডার্টি থিংস, ময়লা খাবার খাই. সরি, পচা পচা না, ময়লা খাবার খাই. ওকে, it's not bad. Crows like our municipality, natural municipality. Do you know that crows are called nature's municipality? They keeps the environment clean. Crow is not a bad bird. Crow is a very clever bird. I like crow. And it's black. I like black birds. Okay, read again. Read the passage again and say true or false. 1. The crow lives in a tree. Yes, that is true. 2. The crow gets up late in the morning. False. Never gets up late in the morning. Birds never get up late in the morning. Oh, some birds, such as owl. Owl gets up late in the morning because they roam around in the night. Night birds are different. Crow is a morning bird. So this is false. The crow is lazy. False. The crow takes food from people. True. You know which bird is very lazy? I think. After you answer me, which bird do you think is very lazy? 5. The crow is slow. The bird who cannot even make its own house. Do you know which bird cannot make its own house and lays egg in crow's house? Okay, number 5. The crow is slow. False. Yeah. If I had a buzzer, then I would have pressed it. Yeah. False. The crow doesn't eat dirty things. Yeah. False. Okay. Now, see. Look at the picture. Circle the answer. There is a picture and you have to look at it and see what is in the picture and circle the correct answer. I am A cow / a goat. Is it a goat? No, it is a cow. So I am a cow. Circle the cow. I live in a stream / shed. Stream means nodi. Cows to nodi থাকে না. They don't live in stream, so circle shed. ছাউনিতে থাকে. I get up early, late. Get up early, obviously. Cows, animals and birds are not like us. They have their own biological clock. They don't have, actually they don't invent the wrist clock. So they depend on their biological clock always. They don't have insomnia. That is, so I don't want to tell you about insomnia because you will get it if I tell you. I got mine when I learned about insomnia. I'm a slow, quick animal. You know that cow is a slow animal. So circle slow. Next slide. Cursive letters. I have given it to you. Please learn the cursive letters because you are in class 3. Sometimes if you don't know cursive letters, you write it wrong. So please learn this cursive letters. So writing cursive letters becomes easy and you become very fast after learning these cursive letters. If you don't learn it, you will see that sometimes A becomes O, O becomes A. So it is better to learn the cursive letters. And the writing looks also pretty, I think. This is normal handwriting. I shall show you another writing tomorrow, which is a beautiful cursive letter. Okay. So, your lesson is finished. I shall give you a routine tomorrow. That is which the dates of for 1 month, for EFT and for your grammar. Number 1, we started with EFT because EFT is our government's textbook. Government hasn't given you any grammar book. Grammar book, we have selected it. That's why we started our annual syllabus with English for Today, the NCTB government suggested book. Number 1, send your assignment. Number 2, learn cursive letter, write and send me an image. And 3, please submit your attendance. You will see the all your assignments and ask question in the stream page, view all, then get into it and answer everything. Bye. Goodbye for today. Be good. I miss you. Mwah.